how to download Microsoft Office for a laptop. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. The first thing that you need to do to get this page for the platform of Microsoft to download your Microsoft 365, which is Microsoft Office, you are going to here type on Google or any of the search engines that you own, Microsoft Office. Then you're going to see here some suggestions. Then you get the online version, which is Microsoft or Office 365 login. Also, we have download and install the Office. So once here, you're going to click on download Microsoft Office. You're going to get the page that we've got here from the beginning. So as you can see, you are going to have two choices. The first one is to download now, which is here highly recommended. And the second choice is to get the free Office online version on your platform. So we are going to click on download now. And here we have also two choices. We have download for your Windows laptops, and also we have for the Mac OS, for the MacBooks, iMacs, and etc. So choose whatever suits you from here. I'm going to click on download for Windows because I'm currently using Windows. Then it will here pop up the download, as you can see, list. You're going to wait for a few seconds. Here we have a file of 7.2 megabytes. It is a very light file. You're going to open the file once it is set. Then you are going to proceed the installation normally. Here we have it. So don't forget to make some space for this Office because it will take a little bit of space from you, between 20 to 30 gigs, I think about this amount. And also go ahead and prepare an account for this specific work list. So you're going to set up here an account because here I have signed up already for an account, and this account is going to be your subscription platform to get the benefits from Microsoft Office, such as Words, Excel, Outlook, and etc. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.